You think that you wanna become an expert web designer after 6 months, or you think that you just wanna get a flat belly after 6 months, but you put in enough effort for 6 complete months, and still you didn't get the goal that you needed, or still you didn't get the knowledge that you always wanted for, or still you didn't get enough money that you always wanted. Why is that so? What really happened in that particular time? Let's discuss in Contravo Podcast episode number 237. Let's get started. Hey everyone, Sanjay here from Contravo Podcast. You are listening to Constant Show. Never listen to any advice, guys. That's the advice that I want. These are nothing but you practice, you will become an expert one. Your network is your net worth. But I don't know how to start. Just start. It is because you don't really set your goals or break down your goals and prioritize them. Think about this. Let's say you want to learn guitar. Without learning the basics, you just keep on practicing, looking at the television or looking at some videos, and you don't really get the basics enough. That is the reason. Think about this. Breaking down goals is the really important step in your entire learning part, or when you are doing something new, breaking down things, that is the most important thing that you need to understand. I'll tell you why. Is that so? You might have heard about this 80-20 principle, right? I have talked about this. If you have no idea what 80-20 rule is or 80-20 principle is for, and I will pop up over there, make sure you watch that. So jumping back to the topic, 80-20 principle is nothing but it's quite simple. 20% of the work that you do results to 80% of productivity. 20% of words that you learn in a language is more than enough to make 80% of the conversation in that particular language. Or 20% of the skills that you have learned in one particular field, let's say web designing, let's say coding, 20% of things that you have learned over there, that's more than enough to make a complete website, or 80% of that website or 80% of that particular application. It's more than enough to do that. So that is the 80-20 rule. So you need to prioritize each and everything based upon your 80-20 rule. It's not really that 80-20 is the perfect ratio. No, it's not really that. It might be 70-30 or it might be 60-45 sometimes, but the ratio, the majority is the less time that you spend, the more that your productivity is, and you need to prioritize each and everything out of it. So break down your goals today and write them down in a sheet of paper. You know something? There are people who feel like they don't want to write their goals, but there's a superpower that you get when you write down your goals. Your subconscious mind starts working on it. Trust me, this is happening to me. You want to try writing your goals every night before you go to sleep, and every single day as soon as you wake up. That will start your day with lots of spark in your brain, in your heart, and that will let you work for somewhere around 12 hours, 14 hours, 16 hours, 18 hours. It goes on, man. So that is how things are, and start prioritizing your goals. Priorities are really awesome, and there are people who really don't focus on one part of the things. If you want to get six pack, stop eating that junk food that you always love to eat and start hitting the gym or start jogging every single day. So that is the minor changes that you can do in your life, and you have a six packs. And thanks a ton for listening to our podcast. Meet you guys in my next podcast. Hit that subscribe button if you are interested to get daily motivational dose, and I'll be back tomorrow with lots of motivation. And thank you guys. Meet you at the top. Thank you. Bye bye.